Dear guys, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching new video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location, and there is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Review rating is 5.4, which is the possible. The hotel FAQ is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category 2. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. Separated the cards of the top, the right standard in gold and not prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Two categories of rooms are available online. You can make them online and enjoy your stay. 7 days and numbers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and booking policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can book us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel, then you have not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new topic. Be safe, be happy.